Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I want to show you a package of trucks that we've just gotten in. 14 model to 16 model Pete 389 factory glider kits, all with 12.7 Detroits, 13 speeds. All of them have been overhauled, anywhere from extremely recent fresh overhauls with no miles up to a couple 100,000 miles on the engines. Gotten them all hot out here running today. Going to do a full walk around, show you kind of what kind of trucks we've got. We've got 7 total that are identical specs, 4 out of the same fleet. This one here has just been overhauled. We've got 4 that all have wet kits. Here's 3 of the 4. I've got 2 maroon ones and a blue and a white one. This one's just been overhauled as well. Like I said, they're all 500, some 600,000-700,000 miles. Guys, if you got questions on any of these, if you need one or all 7, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.